If you find this before 17th June 2025, um, this is your sign. At this point, you are directly aligned with the universe, and you will receive some kind of intuitive messages and guidance from the universe and angels. So trust your intuition. Okay, this is the main message I'm getting if you are watching this. Okay, so justice will be done with you. Okay, you deserve the justice. This is the long awaited justice time for you in love life and relationship, in career. You suffered a lot in whichever your situation. Like if you suffered in your relationship, then justice will be done with you. If you suffered in your career, then justice will be done with you. So basically this is the time for justice. This reading itself a sign. Okay, and intuitively you know that because you are getting some signs, you are getting some intuitive messages and dreams also. If you want to book your personal reading, customized ritual, subliminal affirmation, love spell, astrological consultation, tarot card consultation, then you can contact me through my email id manifestyourdream091@gmail.com. For more details, check the description box. For free tarot card reading and remedies video, subscribe this channel. Use manifestation. Okay, so basically financial and material changes. So some kind of career changes possibilities and some kind of change and that is coming in your career and materialistic life. Basically I'm getting here because 5 is the number of change, definitely a positive outcomes you can expect in your career, in your financial situation. Okay, oh my god, actually some kind of destined event is going to happen because I'm getting this reading itself a sign of your destiny unlocked. Okay, you are very lucky if you find this reading. And yes, I'm getting heart chakra awakening, and you are destined to receive something great in your life. And basically follow your intuition, follow your dreams, because universe already sends you some sign intuitive messages like something great, something big is coming into your life. So be open, be positive to receive that. Let's see with tarot. Let's see. Two of swords here. Here is also intuition, moon energy. So definitely something, you know, you are getting some kind of intuition, and this is the message. Trust your intuition and dreams, signs. Trust the signs. Yes, 9 of cups, wish fulfillment. Okay, some kind of manifestation, that is your actually dream come true moment, that is your deepest wish that is coming true. Your heart will feel with happiness after receiving this manifestation. Be open, because you deserve that. That's why, justice, karma, the justice will be done with you. Yes. Um, for a very long time, you know, you are going through sadness, depression, crying. I'm getting crying. You literally crying in front of God or any kind of deity or angels or universe, whom you believe. So yes, God and divine heard your prayers, your crying, and finally, this is the, this 9 of swords energy is changed. It's swords energy is replaced by 9 of cups. Oh my God, this is the biggest blessings. Okay. Oh, 9 of pentacles, 999. It's a huge confirmation of your new beginning. Okay. Yes, this is the sadness, this is the bad phase, and this is the financial success, and this is the emotional wish fulfillment, relationship success, and manifestation. So yes, claim this reading.